Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, tilt steering wheel,